Welcome friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to make a simple job. First of all we have analysis. Here this exercise have a 50 mm diameters and both sides symmetric part. So first of all starting from at center, which is a 50 mm diameter, and inner diameter is 20 mm. Now 30 mm diameter, which has a 6 mm depth. So first of all start 50 mm diameter, select sketch, enter in sketch, select the line. Now first of all draw the 50 mm diameter, and select another circle, dimension 20 mm. Now finish the sketch. Now here extrude 28 plus 10 mm. 28 plus 10 mm. So select extrude and now select upward direction, which is a 30 mm. Now finish this. Now apply the appearance metal, tones. Now the inner diameter is 30 mm and depth 6 mm. So select sketch, select top face, and now draw the circle with the dimension 30 mm. Finish the sketch. Now from features select the extrude cut, select downward, distance 6.00 mm. Now finish it. Now draw the one side part and mirror the center line. So first of all draw the 35 center circle. Now sketch, select sketch, and top line. Now draw the center line, draw the vertical center line, and draw another horizontal line. Give the dimension 35.0. Now this wall is 2 holes, symmetric both sides. Now diameter is 12 mm. With the diameter, draw the circle and give the diameter 12.0. Now another center arc, draw the center arc. Now radius is 50 mm. Select smart dimension, give the radius 50 mm. Now draw the line, and this side. Now tangent, this line and this face, tangent, Same for this line, tangent line, tangent. Now select from here, trim, draw the circle 50 mm diameter. Now select here trim entities and cut the extra sketches. Cut the sketch. Now you can see, close the sketch, the colors will be changed. Now finish the sketch. Now mirror entities, select this one, select the center line, mirror it, finish this one. Now from here select features, extrude. Now height is 10 mm thickness, so apply 10.0, merge result. Now finish this one. Now our job is ready. Now one thing, this all is remaining, which has a 6 mm diameter and center from top to 12 mm. Now draw here, select sketch, select the plane, front plane, and now draw the circle. With the dimension from top face, mm, 12 mm and diameter 6.0. Finish this. Now select features, select extrude cut. Now here select up to surface, this one. Now change the direction, finish. Now our job is ready. Now how to cut the cross section, select this one, this one. Now section 2, this one. Now finish the sketch. Now this is our job cross section. Thank you for watching this video.